So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I will talk about SRM JEEE 2022 counseling. As you all know, the counseling schedule has been announced and earlier today morning they have released the phase 1 result. So I hope you all have got your result, and based on that what you can expect that I have to provide you. And also and already I have provided you the safe score video, that is for CSC and other branches for KTR campus and other campus. You can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box. Also you will get the link. So here I will talk about the counseling detail regarding the phase 1 of SRM JEEE counseling 2022. So here you will get complete information, that is what is the refund policy. As you also know, this is the initial counseling of 2022, so you have to keep in mind about the refund also. If you pay and later if you find another college better for you, then what will be the refund policy for that, that also I would like to inform you here. And fee structure, that is the most important thing, because there is some changes in the fee structure of SRM college this year. As I am doing all type of counseling across India from so many years, so I have seen all those information last year also, and this year I have seen there is some changes. That's why I am here to provide you all the detail so that you will able to proceed with the counseling. And also I will talk about the expected cut of what you can expect in this year of phase 1 of SRM JEEE counseling 2022. For better reference, you can check my previous video also. And also I will talk about the most important point, that is the scholarship. As you also know, many students are looking for the scholarship in SRM college because they provide so much scholarship, and last year so many students get those type of scholarships. So all those detail you will get in the same video, so please try to watch the video till the end. And there is a one request from my side, please try to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends so that I will get some support from you, and I can 100% assure you that I will be guiding you for everything, and I will provide you all the information at the right time and update at the right time, so that you will not have any type of problem with any entrance exam and any counseling up to your final admission will be done, that is in 2022. So please try to subscribe this channel. So it's my humble request, so that you will be getting all the update at the right time. So let's start this video. So here first of all I would like to provide you the detail regarding the counseling. That is, as you also know, date has been announced. It is from tomorrow you will able to do the choice filling. So here I will provide you all the detail regarding that. From tomorrow up to 26th of January you will able to do the online choice filling, and you also know during the choice filling you have to fill only one choices. This is a unique feature of SRM counseling. In any other counseling you will able to set a preference of 10 or 15 or 20, whatever number of choices you want to add you can add, but here you have to provide only one choice. That increase the risk more, because once you miss that you might not get the best out of your rank. So it is very advisable, do it very carefully, because SRM counseling is not similar to the other counseling. Steps will be just log into the official website and thereafter download the rank card. I hope you all have downloaded the rank card, and next you have to fill the education detail, that is of class 10, not the class 12, because class 12 examination is not over yet. So how you will fill that? So class 10 detail they will ask, and after that you will able to do the choice filling. And as I told you earlier, that is you will able to fill only one choices. So based on your rank, what should be the best choice for you, that needs a detailed discussion. And for that, if you want the complete counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. But only if you want to just ask one question, ask in the comment section, because it is not possible for me to answer one question in WhatsApp or direct call, because there are so many students. So I have provided my number and Insta just to provide you complete counseling guidance. That doesn't mean only one question or answer. There will be so many questions in your mind day by day. And for other counseling also, whatever you will do this year, I will be connected to you from now up to your admission is done, and I will guide you whether you should take the admission here or not, what are the chances for you in the upcoming examination, whether you should do this step or not. So all those things needs a detailed discussion that can save your money. So all those things needs a detailed discussion. If you want, you can register with me. After that I will discuss everything with you, and if possible with your parents, so that I will be providing you all the detail, and you will not have to regret later after joining any wrong college or wrong branch. If you want, you can contact me anytime. So after that program allocation will be done on 29th of the January, and after that you have to pay the fee, that is 1,10,000, and from 1,10,000 10,000 is the counseling fee, and and remaining 1 lakh will be deducted from your academic fee, and after that the balance amount you have to pay within a specified time that you will get on your official website. As of now there is no fixed date about that, but on or before 2nd of February you have to do the initial fee payment of the seat, otherwise your seat will be cancelled. So it is a very important time for your career. Once you do mistake, many students did the mistake last year I have seen, and due to the refund policy they were forced to take the admission, and once you get the wrong college or wrong branch you might face difficulty in your later career. So it is very advisable, do it very carefully. So thereafter you will able to download your provisional admission letter, because this is a provisional admission. Once you provide all your document of class 12, that is you have passed the class 12, thereafter they will confirm your admission. So this is regarding the counseling process, that is the detail. You can check sidewise, I have provided all the detail. You can check this type of interface you will able to see on your login page whenever you will do the registration for the counseling. So this is all about the counseling detail. Now I will talk about the structure of the SRM college. So before going forward, I would like to inform you once again two things you have to keep in your mind, that is what you need to feel and whether you should join SRM college or not, because this is the first counseling of 2022 and you will have many more counseling this year, and you need to get admission in any one college, and that should be the best. And for that I am here to provide you the complete counseling guidance, so that you will not have any type of problem after joining a wrong college or wrong branch, because I am doing it from so many previous years. So I know many students do mistake, and once you do mistake in the counseling process, no one is going to help you. If you are thinking that I have got 100 rank or 50 rank, then also college will not come to your home to provide you the college. You have to take the college with better counseling. That's why counseling is very important thing. So let's continue this video. So here let's talk about the fee structure of the college. That is sidewise you will able to see there is some changes in the fee structure of the college. That is for KTR campus, if you join with artificial intelligence, your fee will be 4 lakh per year. If you join with computer science, a specialization that is except artificial intelligence, then your fee structure will be 3.5 lakh. And I am talking about the KTR campus, and for other you can check sidewise, I have provided all the detail. And if you join the computer science engineering branch, then again you have to pay 4 lakh per year. And for other campus the fee is a little bit low, but also a student wants to get into the KTR campus only. So for KTR you have to pay a higher fee, but there will be a scholarship that I will talk later in this video. Just try to watch the video till the end. So here is the detail of the fee structure, that is the latest fee structure of 2022. So you will able to see that is computer science with a specialization in computer networking. The fee is 3.5 lakh. So almost all the branches have fee of 3.5 lakh and 4 lakh in the CS related branch. And now if you talk about for other branches, that is if you go with MTech integrated, that is BTech plus MTech, then you have to pay 2.5 lakh per year. That is a little bit low. And for electronic engineering, EC, again 2.5 lakh. But if you go with CSE related branch, then the fee is higher as compared to the last year. That is 4 lakh you have to pay, or 3.5 lakh with the CSE specialization. And for other branches you have to pay 2.5 lakh only. So this is about the fee structure. I hope you have got the clear information regarding the fee structure. So now let's talk about the scholarship of the SRM-JEE Triple E 2022. Here is the latest information. So here is the KTR campus scholarship, that is founder scholarship, 100% scholarship you will get. That means you will not have to pay any type of tuition fee. You have to pay only the hostel fee and the mess fee if you join the hostel there. This is applicable for all the students, but your rank should be 1 to 15. Then you will get 100% scholarship. And again there is a merit scholarship that is also of 100% and also applicable for all type of board student, whether you are from a state board or CBSE board. Then again you will get 100% scholarship, and it is applicable from 16th rank up to 45 rank. So if you are under 45 rank, then you will get 100% scholarship in the KTR campus, no matter which branch you are choosing. So next, if you talk about rank based scholarship, then 75% scholarship for all board student is up to 85 rank, and 50% scholarship is available up to 135 145 rank, and 25% scholarship is available up to 195 rank. So this is about the scholarship of KTR campus. In other campus there are different type of scholarship available. That is, if you join the Ramapuram campus, then you will get the scholarship up to 5,000 rank also. That is at least 10% you will get, and detail you can check. That is 100% scholarship you will get up to 100 rank, and 75% scholarship you will get up to 500 rank, and 50% scholarship is available up to 1000 rank, and 25% up to 2.5 rank. So this is the detail regarding the scholarship of SRM JEE EEE 2022. Next, if you talk about for 3G campus, here you can check the details. Sidewise I have provided all the detail. You can check for AP campus also, that is CSC scholarship criteria there is different, and non-CSC scholarship criteria is different. You can check sidewise I have provided all the detail. So, and for Sonipat campus also, here is the scholarship that is up to 5,000. Again you will able to get 10% at least scholarship. So this is all about the scholarship detail of the SRM JEE EEE 2022. So now let's talk about the refund policy. So as of now there is no detail regarding the refund policy, but they have updated that withdrawal for engineering management and MCA courses will be as per AICTE norms. So AICTE norms for 2022 is not updated yet. Once it will be released, I will try to inform you so that you will able to think about the refund policy also. But you will get the refund, that is 100% sure. So but you have to think here that whether you should go with this counseling or not, whether which type of branch you should select, because there will be only one choice you have to fill. So all those things needs a detailed discussion. For that I will advise you take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. And it is not about only SRM. If you appear in VIT or Manipal or Amrita or JEE later, then for everything I will be guiding you up to your final admission is done. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update in the same channel related to all entrance exam along with the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced also in the same channel.